was actually quite a spontaneous purchase. And it seems like I'm on the roll. It's like handbag after the handbag. I guess I go through those phases, you know, like I don't buy anything for a couple of months and then I just go. So yes, I purchased a new handbag, and this one is from Chloé. All right, this is my very first Chloé purchase. I don't own anything from Chloé. I heard a lot about her shoes. I think I tried them in the past. They were like super soft, you know, the one with like the scallop kind of edge. But you know, the other day I was browsing some of the websites and I just came across this handbag and I just couldn't resist. You know, and generally I'm not a Chloé fan. So let's unbox this together. You guys, you have to give me a credit because this box has been sitting in my house for 2 days and I haven't opened. It's so beautifully packaged that I kind of took a peek and I'm gonna show you inside. It's a magnetic, it's really huge. So it says Chloé here, and honestly I didn't even expect to get a box, you know. Usually most of the brands, they will just send items in a dust bag, but hey, it came with a Chloé box, and this is a magnetic box. So first I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna open, but then look inside. It was so packaged beautifully, I can barely hold it, it's so big, that I have just decided just to wait. Okay, so yeah, so this is the inside of the box, and I think this is probably, oh yeah, this is like a return label. So they included the return label just if I want to return this handbag. And there's like a beautiful, very pale kind of ribbon right here in the middle, and there's some tissue paper, and it obviously says Chloé. I have to put it down because I cannot hold it and undo it, so sorry. I'm just gonna do it this way. There's a little Chloé sticker, and I'm just gonna undo. Oh wow, they packaged it really nicely. Look at this, guys. So the handbag is here in the middle, and there's some air papers on the side. Are you ready to see what I've got? I'm so excited. So it came in the white dust bag. I don't know if you can tell. It says Chloé, very kind of pale nude print on this. And the handbag I purchased is da-da-da-da. So this is a woody tote. That's the name of this, and this one is in a size medium. There is a small size or the mini size, which I think it's really mini, but I haven't seen those in person, you guys. This is all online purchase. Look at this. And there's also one more size, which is size large. And as far as I know, and I did a little bit of the research, I was told that the large size is the size of like Neverfull GM, which I thought it would be a little bit too big. So this one, I'm gonna say that this is more like really medium size, because this is definitely smaller than my Neverfull, which I have it right here. I'm gonna compare it just in a second. But yeah, this is definitely smaller, and it has a very nice canvas. It's a very thick canvas, and obviously has those Chloé straps. And I really wanted the one with the black. I know the one with the like a nice cognac kind of brown trim is very popular, but it seems like the black is most of the time sold out. I just thought most of the things I wear would be matching more to the black rather than that brown color, although I have to admit I absolutely love that brown color, and if I could I would probably buy 2 of them, so I have, you know, one of each color, but that would be just a little bit too much. So I have decided to go for black because I think black goes with everything, and I just thought this is gonna be such a best and perfect summer bag, you know what I mean? So the trim, as you can see, goes all the way around, and those Chloé kind of straps, canvas straps, goes all the way around as well. There's no feet, and there's a little trim at the, you know, the handles in here. I think it's gonna be awesome, you guys. This is going to be the best summer handbag. Okay, let's take a look at inside, because there's a lot of stuffing in here. Let me take this, let me take a look in here. So it's very simple. It's all canvas, you know, line, and there's a little pocket, but there's no zipper, there's no really closure. It's like, you know, just put things in and go. Basically a handbag. And yeah, I love the canvas. It's kind of nice and thick, you know. That's like a little bit it's a little bit of the vibe of the, you know, book tote, Dior book tote, or Chanel the Ville tote. You know, this is kind of, I feel like we are getting into this you know, kind of vibe that all the designer houses make their own kind of spin on the, you know, canvas bags. And I really really love this. I really hope they're gonna come up with a different colors in the future. So this one is, yeah, well, like I said, it's called a woody medium tote. This is all it says on that little tag in here. 100% cotton. Yeah, lining is 100% cotton. So yeah, this is all cotton. And there's another tag, which I think it's probably like, if I remove it, yeah, this tag must be remain attached for exchanges of returns. So obviously if I return it, you cannot, you know, cut this off. But I am keeping it, you guys. I feel like this is such a nice size. What do you think? This is just going to be my to-go summer tote. And yeah, I love it. I love it. I think it's great. I feel like this size is just perfect. It's not going to be, you know, too big. It's just like a perfect smaller tote, I would say. Yeah. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm gonna do my best to find this exact color and link it down below. Like I mentioned, like, this was very hard to find, okay? It's not available everywhere. The brown one, I'll link it down below as well. Love it. I love it, but I just thought the black will go a little bit better. And I think this handbag in Europe is like so impossible to find, apparently. This is like the it bag of the summer. And yeah, okay, I'm so excited. So this is the comparison, you guys. So this is the Neverfull MM, and this is the woody tote. So this one obviously is slightly bigger. Here's, the strap drop is pretty much, no, it's a little bit longer. The woody tote has a longer strap drop, so it's gonna be slightly more comfortable. But yeah, just Neverfull, you know, it is a different handbag. And keep in mind that the Neverfull is a coated canvas, but the Chloé is obviously not coated. So I know some of you might say that, hey, it's gonna get dirty. I have a solution. All right, there is a solution, and I'm gonna share with you in the probably sometime next week about how to prevent this kind of handbags from, you know, having stains. I have a few of those canvas handbags. My the Ville tote obviously is also canvas. It's like a boucle, and I also have a Gucci backpack and the Gucci kind of a crossbody kind of messenger bag, which has this same kind of a canvas that it's not coated. So yes, I'll do the little video of how to prevent, you know, stains from happening, and especially, you know, in the light tote like this. So I am not really worrying about this, and I am super excited because I think this is the it bag of the summer 2021. And hopefully this will bring a lot of happiness and, you know, in my wardrobe. And I just think it's nice, you know. I know it's a very, you know, maybe not everybody will like you know, have the logo, but there's so many companies these days that just put big logo on their totes, right? Valentino, Saint Laurent. I mean, you see all those handbags, you know, with a huge logo. So I think just Chloe's kind of following the trend basically, and the trend also of the canvas bags. I think it's amazing. So very cool, very nice and casual. Let me guys know if you have any questions about this handbag. I will use it. I'm gonna start using basically immediately, and I will let you know how it works for me. And let me know if you have any questions regarding this handbag. There's not many YouTube videos. Yeah, if you want me to do one, I will. I just want to use it for a little bit before I can tell you anything about this handbag. And I might have purchased something else, but it's not yet here, and I'm talking about a matching shoes. So I might share those with you at some point as well. So you guys, yes, I am super excited. Let me know what do you think about my new kind of, I'm gonna call it kind of a casual. Oh, I forgot to tell you the price. I know you're gonna ask the price. Let me see. There's no invoice. How fun is that? There's just a return label. As far as I remember, it was $950 plus tax, I think. I'm sure it was under $1,000, but then plus tax it came to like $1,050 or something like that. You know, it depends. You know, my state has like 9% tax. Ridiculous. So it was slightly over $1,000 for this handbag. So yes, I'm gonna do my best to link them both colors down below, so you guys can go ahead and check it out if you would like to. I am super excited to have a new toy to play with. Alright guys, so don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and let me know what you think about my new handbag. There was one more handbag that I was just like this close to buying, but you know, I have to put myself on a little band, you know. I want to still save some money because we're gonna go on a vacation soon, and I am planning to go to the Chanel store, Louis Vuitton store, so I want to have some, you know, some cash to spend. So I have to kind of hold myself a little bit, because I know once I go I would like to buy something, you know. So yeah. I think 2 new handbags for now will do, and I'll definitely be taking this with me on my vacation. I think this is just so nice. Yeah, so let me know what you think, you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon.